The brand sent me this awesome portable grill table. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to set up and some of the features that it offers. First of all, it comes in this awesome carrying bag, which is so nice. It has a Velcro top and then straps to hold it. So this makes it really easy to take it really anywhere with you. It can go pretty much anywhere in a trunk, in the back of the truck, anywhere that you're taking it. Open it up here. It nicely slides out of the bag, and this is what it looks like. It's just really small, nice and compact. It also has a handle here on the top to help you get it out of the bag if you put it back in the right way. And then it is a tri-fold. So I'm going to unfold this so you can see how easy it is to put together and what it looks like all set up. So we start out by unfolding it. So that's the width of the tabletop. And then the really cool part is it has the legs. It has a built-in little holder for each piece of the legs. So it all just collapses inside itself, which is super cool. Each leg has 2 sizes that you can put on. So if you put both of them on, the table height ends at about 29.5 inches tall. But you can also just use the shorter one if you wanted your to be maybe more like on a tabletop or a little bit shorter. So it's customizable on the height. For this demonstration, I'm just gonna do both segments. So you just put those together and then you flip this guy out and just pull those tight. And then you'll just screw on each leg, and then same thing on the other side. Pop those out, grab your little leg pieces. So now we have it all set up. Let's go take a look at what it looks like. So this is what it looks like all set up. It is super lightweight. One of the things I forgot to mention during assembly is that each side has a little clip here to make sure it stays nice and sturdy. So that's another safety feature there. Okay, so I wanted to test the weight limit on this a little bit. According to the description, it says it can hold up to 66 pounds. So I have 2 kettlebells on here, one 40-pound and one 15-pound. So I've got 55 pounds of weight on here, and it is doing great. One thing I would mention is these are, made to be lightweight. So you want to make sure that your weight is evenly distributed, which is why I have this. If I just were to set the 40-pound on there, it would probably bow. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're using it. It's made to be lightweight. It does hold weight, but you'll want to just be careful about how you're doing it. I also thought it'd be helpful to take a few measurements just to see exactly what it turns out to be. So this is about 35.5 by almost 16. And then from the floor up, so 29.5 inches tall, and that is if you use both tubes. So to disassemble it, it's the exact same process, just in reverse. So you unlatch these latches and then flip it upside down. So this is so light, it's really, really easy to maneuver, which is super nice. Just pull these legs and you nest them back in their little spot. And then once you have all your legs put back into this spot, then you just fold it into itself. Look how compact and small that is when it's all folded up. So I wanted to also weigh it because it's super lightweight. All folded up into itself, it is 7 pounds. For a whole table. So hopefully it was helpful to be able to see this awesome portable grilling table.